If you're trying to figure out whether Base44, Replit, or Cursor is the right tool for you, this video will make it simple. These three tools all help you build faster, but they are made for completely different types of users. So instead of comparing them like they're the same thing, I'm going to break down who each one is best for, what it actually does, and how to choose the right one for your workflow. And if this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, let's start with Base44. Base44 is built for people who want to create apps fast without getting deep into traditional coding. Think of it as a no-code or low-code AI app builder. It's ideal if you want to turn an idea into a working product quickly, especially if you're a solo founder, a non-technical creator, or someone who wants to prototype without spending hours writing code. Base44 focuses on speed, simplicity, and getting a result with minimal technical complexity. So if your main goal is, I want to build something functional as quickly as possible, Base44 is usually the most beginner-friendly option. You can use it to move from idea to app much faster than you would in a full development environment. That makes it especially useful for validating ideas, creating internal tools, or launching simple web apps without needing a full engineering setup. Now let's move to Replit. Replit is a browser-based cloud IDE, which means it gives you a real coding environment right inside your browser. This is a huge step up from no-code tools if you already know how to code, or if you're learning and want a more hands-on development experience. Replit is great for intermediate coders who want to write, test, and deploy code without setting up a local development machine. What makes Replit so useful is that it combines coding, hosting, and AI assistance in one place. You can build projects in the browser, collaborate with others, and use AI to help generate or debug code. So, if you're comfortable working with code, but you want a simpler and faster environment than a traditional local setup, Replit is a strong choice. It gives you more control than Base44, but it's still much easier to start with than setting up everything from scratch. Then we have Cursor. Cursor is different again. Cursor is an AI-powered desktop code editor made for serious developers who want to move fast while keeping full control over their codebase. This is not a no-code tool, and is not really trying to replace a browser IDE in the same way Replit does. Instead, Cursor is built for people who already work with code professionally and want AI deeply integrated into their workflow. Cursor is especially good if you're working on larger projects, managing existing code bases, or want the speed of AI without giving up the flexibility of a real developer environment. Because it runs as a desktop editor, it fits naturally into more advanced workflows. You can edit files directly, understand your code structure better, and keep full ownership of how your project is organized. For experienced developers, that control matters a lot. So how do you choose between them? If you are a beginner, a non-coder, or someone who wants the fastest path to a working app, choose Base44. If you're an intermediate coder who wants to build in the browser with AI help, choose Replit. If you are a serious developer who wants maximum control, speed, and AI assistance in a desktop code editor, choose Cursor. That's really the cleanest way to think about it. Base44 is about simplicity and speed for app building. Replit is about browser-based coding with AI. Cursor is about high-performance development with full control. They overlap a little, but they're not the same product, and choosing the right one depends on your skill level and your goals. If you're still unsure, ask yourself one question. Do you want to avoid code? Write some code, or own the whole code base? If you want to avoid code, Base44 is the best fit. If you want to write code in the cloud, go with Replit. If you want to work like a professional developer with AI built into your editor, Cursor is the one to look at. And that's the quick breakdown of Base44 versus Replit versus Cursor. If this comparison helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. And if you want, I can also make a follow-up video comparing their pricing, best use cases, and which one is best for beginners versus developers.